Hi!
Feel the power of fire, lights, and sound mobile.
I'm here because I wanted to talk to you about us and all that we've been through. I wanted to talk about me and you. I remember when we first met. You didn't know who you were yet. I didn't know who I was. We grew up together. You've never had more fun with anyone else, and you know it. I'll always love you.
Kung ako'y iiwas at sa'yo ay sasabihin na ako sa'yo'y may pagtingin. Di mo lang ito napapansin.
Powered by Fire, Lights, and Sound Mobile.
Pagsasabing iniisip kita at meron bang may alam na laging hinahanap ka. Kung ako naman ay iiwas, malalaman mo ba na ako ay may lihim na pagsinta?
This is Fire, Lights, and Sound Mobile of Bayon Capiz.
Mayroon